In this video, we will show the disassembly and reassembly of a Robit H5 down-the-hole hammer. When working on DTH hammers, always ensure that the appropriate PPE is being worn. We begin by unscrewing the top sub, otherwise known as a backhead. Now you can remove the check valve spring and make-up ring. Next, lay the hammer on its side, being careful not to squash any fingers. Using a pole that is less than 33mm in diameter, slide it all the way through the hammer to push out the air distributor. Again, using the pole, push on the piston, which will drive out the inner cylinder. Now the inner cylinder can be removed, followed by the piston, being careful not to drop it on your fingers. Now stand the hammer upside down, where the dry sub, also known as chuck, can be removed. Now you have access to the bit retaining ring. The guide bush remains in the cylinder as it is a press fit component. The hammer is fully dismantled and components are ready for inspection. When assembling hammers, always grease the threads and coat all other components in hammer oil. Begin by having the cylinder upside down and place the bit retaining ring on top of the guide bush. Then screw in the drive sub until it shoulders up with the cylinder. Now lay the hammer on its side, again being careful not to squash any fingers. Next, install the piston, striking face end first. This can be finicky as it is a tight fit. Now you can stand the hammer upright to install the top end components. Gently install the inner cylinder with the seating ring at the top end. It should stop at the bottom of the thread. If it doesn't go all the way in, remove and repeat. Now you can install the air distributor. Using a nylon drifter and mallet, give the air distributor a few hard hits to ensure the inner cylinder and air distributor are correctly seated. Place the make-up ring so it follows the contour of the air distributor. Now insert the check valve spring and then the check valve in the top end of the hammer. And finally, screwing in the top sub, the hammer assembly is complete.